One of the biggest design criteria we had when building Tap Inspect is that as home inspectors, we know that we frequently get calls about past inspections while we're out in the field. So we needed a way that you could open up older reports, but also a way to prevent your device from filling up with all of the photos. So what we do is we auto archive your old reports so they are saved on a server, but they are removed from your device to save space. And you can tell which reports are on your device and which ones have been archived by how bright the tile for that report is. So you can see the Demo Dan report here. That's nice and bright, and so is Marty McFly. But Edward Cullen has been archived and it's dimmed out, a little bit dimmer. So to download it from the server, all you do is you tap on it and you can see the little spinner starts to go, and when it brightens up, you know that the report file has been downloaded, and now we can open it up again. Once it opens, it begins to synchronize as it downloads the photos and everything else that makes up the report. And then you can go in and actually look and see if a few of the photos have not been downloaded yet. You can just manually synchronize like we've shown you before, and you can open it, review the report, and answer any kind of questions your client may have.